What if your WordPress website could lock premium content, charge recurring payments, and manage members automatically without custom code? Meet Paid Memberships Pro, one of the most powerful and flexible membership plugins for WordPress. Whether you're building an online course, a paid community, a subscription blog, or a members only SaaS style site, this plugin gives you full control over who sees what and who pays for it. With Paid Memberships Pro, you can create unlimited membership levels, integrate with Stripe, PayPal, and other gateways, protect content at the post or page level, and even extend functionality using add-ons without being locked into a rigid system. Thousands of creators, educators, and businesses use this plugin to run reliable, scalable membership sites on WordPress. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, when you should use it, and the one mistake most beginners make when setting it up. So stick around. So hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how Paid Membership Pro works, how you can set this up, and how you can use it effectively to create memberships and create subscriptions and make some money out of the content that you are having. So first up, you just need to install the Paid Membership Pro plugin from the website. You can download it, and then when you have installed it, come over here to the dashboard, and here you can see this interface, all the cards where you can see the welcome, links, and all the stuff, some use cases and quick links to add members, create discounts, add email templates, and all of these things. You can also see some revenue cards, some stats and all those things. And yeah, so the process is really very simple. All you have to do is just create some plans. So come over to the settings, and here you can create groups. You can create levels in the groups like pro monthly, pro annual. I have created two right now. So just click on the add new. You can create any type of membership level. So for example, I go with this annual. I can say it premium, annual. Okay, some descriptions you can write: premium, annual plan for the professional users, or anything like that. Then the confirmation message, which is going to be shown on the checkout or something. Okay, and in the confirmation email, you can also include this message by clicking on this checkbox over here, like thanks for your subscription or something like that, right? And then you have membership account message, which is going to appear only to members of this level in the my membership section of the account page. And when you are done, just scroll down and you can see some billing details. Here you can set the initial payment which you want to collect at a time of registration. You can enable recurring subscriptions and set a billing amount as well. You can also make it 0, and at the initial registration no amount will be charged, and it will be cycled, billed cycled on every month or annual time that you set over here, right? So for now, I'm just gonna make it start on the day the user submits or user fills the registration, and then you can add the billing cycle limit as well. You can enable custom trial period over here. Okay, and then you have some options for the expiration settings. Membership, when it will expire, you can check this to set when the membership access expires. So for the recurring, I think it is not recommended to do that. Okay, because when the plan is cancelled, automatically the membership gets expired. And then you have the content settings, that which you want to show or hide. You can select some categories on your website. This is a dummy new website, so I don't have plenty of categories in here, but if you have categories, you can enable or disable, select the specific categories that you want to protect from the membership. Okay, using the membership, then you can create single posts or add some posts to protect them, and the same you can do with the single pages as well. And you can also protect access to other content, including custom post types, courses, events, products, communities, podcasts, or much more. Okay, you can integrate with bpress, buddypress, or some lifter lms and other software, other plugins as well. And you can easily protect the content, whether it is for courses, podcasts, or anything like that, because they are just the post types and you can protect them. Then you can click on save level, and the membership has been created. The membership level has been created. And now the second thing is to create pages. If you haven't created pages, you will see an option to create the pages automatically. They're the simplest and the easiest way to create all these pages. Okay, and these are the shortcuts which are added to the created pages, and you can use them. It's just like WooCommerce, where you create some pages that are being used for checkout and all those things. So pages are really important for membership to work effectively. Then you can enable the payments option as well, right? The payment gateway. Currently we are using testing only, but you can definitely use PayPal, Stripe. You can set up your settings of PayPal and all those stuff, right? You can connect with Stripe very easily. You can set up the Stripe webhook after connecting with Stripe. Payment flow, some adjustments, Stripe settings you can manage from here. It's really easy to use a Stripe connection with paid membership pro plugin. And then when you are done with the payments as well, levels have been created, pages have been created, payments have been set up, and you are pretty much on a good path for as of now, right? Now you can set up some email settings, which is going to be shared whenever the users are sign up to your website or purchase any membership. You can adjust, customize all email templates that you want to. You can design as well the membership cards, how they should look on the website, change its base color, contrast, and accent. Then you also have some advanced settings where you can restrict the dashboard access and block all the users with the subscriber role from accessing the dashboard, hide a toolbar from all the users with a subscriber role if you don't want to show this toolbar which I'm seeing over here, or you want to block all the users with the subscriber role from accessing dashboard. They don't if you don't want any functionality, then you can check this up. And these are some really useful information that you can set this up here in the settings, advanced settings. Okay, and now you can just click on any page or any post and you can protect the content of it. So let me quickly show you. Like for example, this is the page, form entry by Prashant. Oh, okay, let me find anything better. Okay, so yeah, here it is, the video cipher video. Okay, so this is a video shortcode. I was showing this up here. Now if you go to this require membership option, you will see all the membership plans or the levels that you had created on your website, and you can click on any of these plans, and the user will need to access any of this plan to have access to this page. Now if you view this page, you are going to see this option to view the membership levels and buy the membership plan. If your payment gateway has been set up pretty well, then it will going to work. You will add all the information, billing information, do the checkout, and you will have the membership. The users can also manage the membership because they have my account option as well in the pages, so they can easily manage their membership, right? And you are pretty much on a good path. Now in dashboard you will see some options, and in the members you will see all the members who have bought some sort of membership on your website. The orders data you can find here. You can create custom or manual order as well. You can see all the subscriptions and link any subscription from here as well. Then you can see all the required reports, right? And reports is a really nice feature. You're going to get membership stats, sales and revenue, visitors, views and logins, active members per level. So this is going to give you significant information about how your website with membership is going with this plugin. And then you can come over to the settings and manage all the different settings, which is very useful to start with. Okay, so you have to concentrate on all your focus on the settings. You can create levels, create discount codes, set up pages for the memberships, create payment integrations. You can secure the integrations. You can set up email settings, create email templates or customize email templates. Then you have some user fields you can manage, okay, right? And then you have the design, how the cards should look on the front end, and then you have some advanced options to customize a few other things, right? The best thing I find about this membership plugin is its add-ons. There are tons of add-ons that you can use. Whether you are using BBPress, you are using BuddyPress or BodyBoss, for the communities, you can use this to have that functionality in here. You have courses for membership. You have Lifter LMS, Keep integration, discount codes, group discount codes. Okay, MailChimp integration, member RSS, membership card. So tons of integrations are already there. So you don't have to struggle with much. If you have a very specific use case or requirement, then you can check out the documentation or all the integrations available here if they have significant integration with the specific software you want to integrate. For example, pods or what you call it, Lifted LMS or mailing, MailChimp or anything. You can just check it up here and it will give you more and more advanced optimization for your membership website. So this is a really powerful and reliable, secure system of membership within your WordPress website. So I would really recommend you to at least try it out and see how it goes with you. If it goes well, you can upgrade and use the system, use the memberships for your website, and it is going to give you a really significant improvement, and you can easily monetize your content, monetize your traffic, and have a powerful membership system on your website, whether it's a course website, community website, blog website, podcast content you are sharing, a listing website, or any sort of website. You can integrate paid membership pro plugin in your WordPress website really very easily. If you have any questions, you can check out their documentation, you can get support, and they are really awesome with the support, and their documentation is also really well written and solves a lot of questions and a lot of problems out of the box. So I just really recommend this plugin, and I find it really flexible and useful for plenty of use cases. So please check this out. I have already shared link in the description, and if you find it useful, use it. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can comment that down in the comments box below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.